The worst ones I have are these. These are 4 bulbs. Really bright. We put daylight bulbs in for people who have different lumens.
And they're going to be on a dimmer switch. So that base, I mean, that's how far from the bottom of this build. You see that family view? Oh, that's
This is the bottom.
got it. And their bedrooms, I mean, there's 2 bedrooms and a living room. So the living room's got a vaulted ceiling. That one's not as important. It's the 2 bedrooms on your suite. Sure.
It is super popular. So super popular in the village. It's for living rooms, for a lot of light, master bedrooms for a lot of light. A lot of people go with these 2 for secondary bedrooms. This one kind of put in the way. This one's 7. It's just right now. They're all on the yep.
You just put a 3-game box or 4-game box. Yeah. So you probably had a 3-game box.
Yeah, that's
And 3 switches.
well, and like the one in the
So
living
you
room,
would just take one of
it's the
these.
same size, but it's got a 12
Because
inch
most of them
rod, down
have,
rod.
if you walk into a secondary bedroom, as soon as you
That
walk
one
in,
was a bulb switch.
Yeah, that's 10.
one through the box in the ceiling.
Okay. And I am getting canned lights
And the
in that
living room,
room.
you probably have 4 switches.